Hi, I'm Sharon Burns, owner and operator at RX Catering in the DC metro area, and we're here to cook with Sharon. It's turkey time! I know every year we get around this time and everyone is frantically trying to figure out what are you going to serve for turkey time. Well, we got you covered. RX Catering's famous fried turkey is here. So I thought I'd show you how we actually prepare each one with love. Now I'm going to show you an abbreviated version because I can't give away all the secrets, but I'm sure for the ones who have actually tried it, you're going to love it. So let's get started. As you see here, I have just a regular, this is a 12 to 14. Most of our birds are going to be 12 to 14 pound birds. It's just easier to fry. As you see here, I have one of our indoor fryers, but as you know, we do hundreds of fried turkeys throughout the year. So we have outdoor fryers as well, about 8 of them. So we got you covered. No matter how many you ordered, we got you covered. So right here, I have put together some seasonings. Can't give away all the secrets, but I have a special concoction that we're going to use on each turkey, and then I have butter and then another injectable liquid that each bird's going to actually get. So what we typically do here when we're preparing for Thanksgiving is, or for any time that you want a fried turkey, we're actually going to inject in all parts of the turkey. Oh, there's a little hole there. As you know, every turkey has giblets and a turkey neck. All those have been removed already, and the turkey has already been cleaned. So it's a little bit of a process, but that's why we're here. RX Catering, we got you covered. I mean, if you want to try this at home, go for it, but why mess up your kitchen when you got us to do all the work? So I'm going to make sure that every part of the bird is actually really seasoned and injected with this, along with the butter that I have here, the melted butter, and then we're going to season it up as well. Every part of this turkey is going to be flavorful. A lot of people don't like the breast. I love the breast because that's the part I prefer. But the ones who have actually told me before, hey, Sharon, you know what? I don't like the breast because it's dry. It gets dry. Not RX Catering's fried turkey. Everyone that I've actually talked to, they come back and they say, you know what? I ate every part of that turkey. And I am mad at you because every part is actually really good. So we are going to, like I said, inject every part. And even on the bottom, the thigh part of the turkey, the wings, everywhere is going to be injected and then well seasoned. So this process, as you can imagine, I mean, it's pretty quick because we have a system that we do here. So doing or making 100 plus, frying 100 plus turkeys is no big deal for us. So like I said, you want to make sure that you get your order in, because once they're gone, they're gone. I mean, turkeys aren't going to be around all season long, all year round. There's a cutoff. So we want to make sure that you get yours. And when we do our fried turkeys, this is something that we actually will have prepared and ready for you and actually give you reheating instructions. Depends on when you order and when you pick up. It may be hot right out of the oil, or maybe not, but it still doesn't matter because it's going to be fresh and made with love. So we are done with this part of the injections. Now we're going to go around with this butter that I have here. Now you all may think, oh, that's a lot of injections. It really isn't, because that's where all the moisture, all the goodness, everything is going to be in what I'm injecting into the turkey right now. So don't worry. We've been doing this for a while. We got you covered. We have experience. It's going to be good. Guaranteed. We have customers that order 2 and 3 turkeys. Now, I started to talk about before the size of the turkey. I know most of you all may have larger families and you are like, Sharon, I want a bigger turkey. When we're frying, it's actually best, like I mentioned before, to have a smaller bird. It helps with the whole frying process, as well as our outdoor fryers, the capacity of our big pots. The larger the bird, the longer it has to fry, and we want to make sure that it's cooked evenly all throughout. So we tend, like I said, to have just 1 to 2 sizes of a turkey that we have here. So looks like we are doing, you can tell too that the bird is nicely injected. You can see, I'll hold it up towards the end, the plumpness of it. That's what we're looking for, the plumpness of our turkey and the different spots on it. We want to make sure that, like I said, it's nicely injected, and that's where all the flavor is. So if you can imagine, we do this with each and every turkey that we sell here. So, I mean, all of them are made with love. We're not just popping it in the fryer. We're making sure that each one is well seasoned and it's going to be enjoyed. So we are almost done with this part. And then the last part before we fry it is seasoning it up with the seasons that I have right here. You can probably guess what's in it, but I'm not going to confirm nor deny what's in here. All right, so we're going to take this and kind of just like rub it all over. I'm going to take some of this butter just so it stays on. And I do have the neck. I do have the neck and the giblets here. However, I'm going to wait until the end to actually pop those in the fryer. Some people love them. I actually have a customer every year. She says, Sharon, do you have the giblets? Do you have the turkey necks? I want those fried too. Of course, we make it happen. I had never actually eaten them. I'm not a big fan of it, but hey, whatever you like, I love. So we get it done for you. So we have our bird right here, nicely seasoned, and of course we can't forget the backside. I mean, backside of the bird needs love too. So we're going to make sure that it is properly seasoned and we are good to go. So once we're done with that, we're going to drop it, you see, into the fryer. We have everything ready to go. And I'm going to take some of this extra, like butter and all the injections that we had, and just put it in on our bird. And I think we're good to go. So this is going to take probably about, like I said, the 12 and 14 pound birds, we usually fry them for about 45 minutes. So I've been heating up our oil, and here we actually use peanut oil. If you by chance need to have a different type of oil where we're frying the turkey in, please let us know ahead of time. We can accommodate for your nut allergies. We'd use like a soy-based type of oil to ensure that all of our nut allergy people can consume and enjoy a fried turkey as well. So we're going to drop it. And a lot of time the reason why people don't want to fry turkeys on their own is because of this. This can be quite dangerous, but we have it down pat here, and no one's gotten hurt, and all of our birds end up perfect. So there is a process to actually frying, and we want to make sure everyone's safe and our turkeys turn out perfect. All right. We'll come back in about 45 minutes to see our finished product. Okay, it's been about 45 minutes. I'm excited. We're going to make sure that our turkey is nice and brown. And we're going to temp it. Oh, it is so golden. It looks so good. So with poultry, chicken, you want to make sure that it's temped and cooked to the proper temperature. And of course, we have it here. Poultry and chicken, 165 degrees Fahrenheit. That's what it should be. And we always check every part of the turkey just to make sure over our wings, our legs, the breast especially, because that is the part of the turkey that is the thickest. And it looks like we are good to go. So I am going to pull this out. Again, be careful when you are... If you happen to do this at home. You're probably not going to do it at home. You're going to ask us to do it because this is what we did. And why, again, go through all that hassle of setting up a fryer when we can do it for you? So we have our turkey right there. Now it's hot. So, you guys see it right here. What I'm going to do is... We're not going to pan it up because the oil is so hot. It's going to take a minute for me to actually pan up, but let's see. Let me see. It's really hot, and I do this all the time, but yeah. Yeah, okay. Whew. That's really hot. This is why you need us to do it, because it's so hot. But we're going to have it. This is how you would actually receive it, in a pan just like this. And wow, this looks awesome. And as you see, perfect. Golden brown. It's going to be very flavorful. So if you need us to take care of this fried turkey for you, you can always contact us at rxcateringdc.co. Check us out. We appreciate you joining us today. Thanks.